Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It is amazing to be in the kitchen. Anyway, today we want to make you a nice, lovely vegan recipe. It's gonna be, a lot of vegan eat rice, a lot of vegan eat different stuff what they like, in vegetables and all these things. But today we want to make you a stuffed pepper one more time again. This time we're gonna use some rice and some vegetables, and we're gonna make a stuffed rice pepper with some mixed vegetables. It's gonna be fantastic. Basically we was talking about making this YouTube channel for vegan only. The only reason why I mentioned making a YouTube channel for vegan, because on this channel we got a lot of meat and a lot of stuff, but I don't know if you guys want me to do the vegan recipe them on this channel or make a new brand channel. I need to know from you. If you want me to make a new brand channel, you need to give me the name. Because you is your channel. It's not gonna be mine, it's gonna be your one. So basically you need to tell me the name. What should I call it? If you want me to make the channel, what should I call it? I got a lot of recipe, as I said before, for vegan, and I can make vegan cake and vegan muffin. Bread is fine with vegan. All you have to do is just read the ingredients. When the milk inside of it is fine. Some vegan only can have this kind of milk, like almond milk is very good for vegan. So there's a lot more stuff. We got vegan cheese, which I can buy also and show you what you can do with vegan cheese. Can make pizza with for vegan and use vegan cheese. So guys, I got a lot of recipe for vegan. All I want to do, one thing, you need to tell me, should I continue with this YouTube channel with the vegan recipe, or make a brand new YouTube channel and you give me the name? What should I call it? It's not my channel, as I said before. Only thing I'm going to do is cook the food for you, because I can make a lot of recipe about vegan. Alright, so today we're going to make rice with some vegetable stuffed pepper for vegan. So vegan, this is your Sunday dinner. Alright, and hopefully you will love it and enjoy it, and please subscribe and leave your comments below, and thank you so much for watching. And I'm going to show you how you can make this one very easy recipe for the vegan them. Alright, vegetarian, you are so welcome. So stay tuned with the vegetarian them, and remember, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and also Twitter. Thank you so much. Roughly half cups of mixed vegetables inside of this bowl right here. So basically what we're going to do is pop some vegetable in the rice. But basically I want to say, if you cook some rice and you have some a little bit of rice left over, this is what you can do inside of it, as you can see. I'm going to crack some pepper. That's the pepper, and also some dry basil. These are some herbs, oregano. Really nice. This is some flat dry parsley. And also gonna pop a little bit of olive oil. Nice one. Give it a stir. This one is a very easy one. And also we can have with this is piece of a tofu, but you got the vegan tofu, which there's no milk and there's no egg in it, so that one is very good to go. Alright, then cut the pepper into half, as you can see. Then we're going to take out the inside. Nice one. So we're gonna take out the inside of this one also. Nice one. So that's the pepper which cut into half. Take out the seeds and the bits inside. Then what we're going to do now is stuff it like this. This one you can have it with some, you know, you can have it with some like some tomato sauce, not ketchup, tomato sauce, because some of this ketchup have some ingredients in it, so you have to be careful of certain ingredients your vegan been using. Well, I could show that some of these recipe for vegan, like the ketchup, is be pretty good. All I have to do is just read the instruction, guys, please. Alright, so as you notice what I'm doing right here, I'm stuffing the pepper because this recipe is really nice for vegan. Then I will show you the rest of what I'm doing at the moment. Okay, so this is it right here, as you can see, exactly. So what I'm going to do is just simply put a little bit of more of the fresh parsley on top of it. Fresh basil, sorry guys, dry basil, and so some dry parsley on top of it. Sprinkle a little bit of salt, crack a little bit of salt on top of it. Just like that. Simple. Flash a little bit of oil. Nice one. Then we're going to put this in the oven and bake this for roughly about 20 minutes the least. 20 to 25 minutes. I'm using electric oven at the moment, so basically I have my oven on 180 or 175 is good for 20 to 25 minutes inside of the oven. So thank you so much for watching and tuning into the show. This is a Sunday dinner for vegan recipe, guys. As you can see, you can have a piece of vegan tofu with this one, and it's really nice to go with it. So basically, as you can see, and also a vegetarian can have this lovely dish. So enjoy it and subscribe, leave your comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically, as you can see, exactly what is taking place right here with the stuffed pepper, and look at that, really soft and nice. But what we want to do now is very easy recipe, and I'm telling you, simple. We're gonna share it out and make you guys can see exactly how it look on the plate. All right, I just take it out of the oven, as I said, 20-25 minutes in the oven, 180. If you're using gas mark 6 or 7 is good for 20-25 minutes in your oven. Fahrenheit, Celsius, Fahrenheit, it is 250 to 300, and you can bake it for 20-25 minutes in your oven. Stuffed pepper with vegetable, vegan recipe, Sunday dinner recipe. You can have it with a nice lovely piece of tofu. But if you're gonna buy tofu, buy the vegan tofu, guys. Remember, vegan tofu, try to avoid about the milk and the egg and these things. Vegan have special sugar and all these things. So we got a lot more recipe, a lot more ideas, a lot more tips, a lot more stuff coming for the vegan. Remember, if you want me to make the channel, give me the name, now we'll work at it. Alright? So basically, this is the way it look. So let's put it on the plate with some leaf, like the last time when we did that pepper with the couscous. So now I just take it from the tray like this. And just like this. Alright, just gonna make it simple today. Nothing too excited. Then next, let's put this one side. This is a little bit hot. Alright. Lovely guys. So basically, as you can see, exactly what Chef Ricardo is all about. And you know what I mean, as I said before, the vegan will be happy with these kind of ideas and recipe. We got a lot more recipe coming out now, guys. But I wanna say, you need to tell me, you know what I mean, do you want me to make the channel, or do you want me to just continue with this YouTube channel? You know what I mean? If you want me to make the channel, you need to give me the name. Write the name below. That's, you know what I mean, the fans them can know. Cause I said before, the channel only be for my channel, only be for you. Only thing I'm gonna do is create the dishes them and make the dishes them and make the food them and make my fans them happy. So, stuff prepared with rice and vegetable for vegan only. And vegetarian. Listen, anybody can have it. Oh yeah? But you know what I mean, I'm just reaching out for the vegan them because I love my vegan people them. My vegan fans them, welcome back guys. I love you, and you know what I mean, we're gonna do the best what we can do in this world for you. Alright? Thank you so much for tuning in and watching the show. We got a lot more ideas, a lot more recipes. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. See you next time. Bye bye.